वेलकम टू स्वाति लॉ इन्फो। आज हम करेंगे एमसीक्यू सीरीज पार्ट 3 ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी 2000। क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 है, व्हाट इज द पनिशमेंट अंडर सेक्शन 66E फॉर वायलेशन ऑफ प्राइवेसी। मैं सिर्फ क्वेश्चन एंड राइट आंसर ही रीड करूंगी। द राइट आंसर इज फाइन अप टू 1 लाख और इम्प्रिजनमेंट अप टू 2 ईयर और बोथ। एक्सप्लेनेशन कहती है, सेक्शन 66E एड्रेसेस द एक्ट ऑफ कैप्चरिंग और पब्लिशिंग प्राइवेट इमेजेस विदाउट कंसेंट, emphasizing privacy protection. Question number 32. Under section 69, decryption directions can be issued for which of the following reasons? The right answer is public order and sovereignty of India. Section 69 permits decryption instruction for maintaining sovereignty, security and public order, ensuring national interest. Question number 33. Which section allows an intermediary to avoid liability if it follows prescribed due diligence? The right answer is section 79. Section 79 provides immunity to intermediaries for third party actions if they adhere to due diligence and avoid active participation in unlawful acts. Question number 34. Which authority certifies digital signatures in India? The right answer is Controller of Certifying Authority, CCA. Explanation कहती है, the CCA under section 17 regulates the issuance and management of digital signature certificates in India. Question number 35. Under the IT Act, who is authorized to investigate cyber offences? The right answer is Inspector of Police. Section 78 authorizes inspectors to investigate offences under the IT Act, ensuring effective enforcement. Question number 36. Which section penalizes sending offensive messages through communication service? The right answer is 66A. Though repealed, section 66A criminalized offensive electronic communication before being declared unconstitutional in Sharia Singhal vs Union of India. Question number 37. Which sections covers the guideline for issuing digital signature certificates? The right answer is section 35. Section 35 lays out the procedure for obtaining and issuing digital signature and certificates under the IT Act. Question number 38. Which section governs unauthorized access to computer or network? The right answer is section 43. Section 43 penalizes unauthorized access and related damages to computer system. Question number 39. Section 10A ensures the validity of which transaction? The right answer is e-commerce contract. Section 10A ensures that contracts formed through electronic means are legally enforceable. Question number 40. Which sections governs appellate procedures in cyber appellate tribunal? The right answer is section 57. Section 57 provides a detail about appealing decision made by adjudicating officer to the cyber appellate tribunal. Question number 41. Under which section can an electronic signature be verified? The right answer is section 3A. Section 3A allows for verification of electronic signature, ensuring their authenticity and validity under IT Act. Question number 42. Which section of the IT Act specifies offences related to hacking? The right answer is section 66. Section 66 defines hacking as altering, damaging, destroying computer resources and prescribes punishment for the same. Question number 43. What is the primary role of the Indian Computer Emergency Response Team under the IT Act? The right answer is to respond to cybersecurity incidents. Section 70B establishes CERT in as the national nodal agency to deal with the cyber security threats and incidents. Question number 44. Which section empowers authorities to conduct searches and seizures for cyber offences? The right answer is section 80. Section 80 authorizes a police officer not below the rank of inspector to search and seize systems or data related to cyber offences. Question number 45. What does section 66E of IT Act deal with? The right answer is protection of privacy. Section 66E penalizes capturing, transmitting or publishing private images of individuals without their consent, ensuring privacy protection. Question number 46. Under section 68, who has the authority to issue directions to certifying authority? The right answer is the controller. Section 68 empowers the controller to issue binding direction to certifying authority matter related to digital signature. Question number 47. Which section provides for the extraterritorial application of the IT Act? The right answer is section 75. Section 75 extends the applicability of IT Act to offences committed outside India, provided they involve a computer or network located in India? Question number 48. Under section 70A, which body is responsible for protecting critical information infrastructure? The right answer is National Critical Information Infrastructure Protection Center, NCIIPC. Section 70A designates NCIIPC as an agency responsible for safeguarding critical information infrastructure. Question number 49. Which section deals with penalty for failure to protect personal data? The right answer is 43A. Section 43A imposes liability on corporate bodies for failure to implement adequate security measures to protect personal data. Question number 50. Which section provides the legal framework for electronic contracts? The right answer is Section 10A. Section 10A ensures that contracts formed through electronic means are legally binding and enforceable. इससे आगे नेक्स्ट पार्ट में कवर करेंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.